Coach Cruikshanks here. In this video, I'm going to talk about Clickbank for Beginners 2020, the exact $100 a day formula. My name is Coach Cruikshanks and I am a corporate 9-to-5 side hustle coach. I teach everyday people who have 9-to-5s how to build a well-paid side hustle, and if they want to, how to turn that side hustle into a full-time income. Let's get right into it, my friends. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to make money online using a free online platform? So this is for you if you are looking for a legitimate way to make free extra income from a platform which is free called Clickbank. And if you want to also learn some strategies to make Clickbank work for you, then this is for you. Maybe you tried Clickbank before, maybe you're wondering what's the secret sauce. This is what you want to pay attention to, my friend. So before we get started, 2 simple things that I need you to do before we jump right into this is subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that little notifications bell. I do trainings on how to make money online, how to build a well-paid side hustle, and also entrepreneurship tips to help you make more money online. If you're on YouTube, check out the link in the description beneath this video, and there will be my #1 recommendation for making money online. So let's get right into it. So why do you want to use Clickbank? Well, Clickbank is a I'm going to show you the website in a second. It is a digital bank of digital products. Okay, great informational products. These are products that people are willing to pay you for because these products hold the solution to key problems that people have. The top niches that people are willing to transact money for these digital products are health, how to have better health, how to lose weight, how to have better fitness, how to make more money online, how to learn how to make money online, and how to learn how to be a better entrepreneur and how to market better. Okay, these are the top niches. Of course, Clickbank, which I'm going to show you in a second, I'm going to take you over there. They have tons of other digital products. So let's take a minute and let's go over to Clickbank. Okay, right now we are at Clickbank, which is clickbank.com, and it's spelled CLIKBANK right here. Okay, so this is 100% free. You go to clickbank.com, you sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for your free account, you're going to come in here, and at the top it's going to say marketplace right here. This is where you can see all the top offers. We're going to go over how this works. So as I said, the top niches are typically business, e-business and marketing, health and fitness, and make money online, which would most of the time fit into the categories of e-business and marketing. Okay, and there's tons of other categories, spirituality, so on and so forth, tons of niches. Okay, so the top 3 I gave you access to, and the way it would work is you would come over to this digital marketplace, digital product marketplace, and you can pick a product to start promoting. So I've already picked one, for example, in the health and fitness niche. So you would come over here, you would click on health and fitness, and what Clickbank would show you is all the products that you will be able to promote and how much commission you can make for every single sale that you make with that digital product. So for this one, you can see already that you will make $68.64 commission for every single person that bought from your link. But what I like to do is, the first thing I like to do is I like to sort by gravity. Okay, gravity just means how the conversions. Okay, how likely is this to sell? How many people are really getting results with it? So if it has a really high gravity, that means that this is something that's hot. Okay, so I like to sort by gravity, but I also like to look at the products and say, like, some of these I look at them and I'm like, if I wouldn't like it, I'm not going to promote it. So I still look at things that have high gravity, but I'm also looking for things that I would be likely to promote to other people. Okay, I don't know why I keep getting this error message, but so like, let's look at one. For example, I know that there's one that I looked at, it's called smoothie. So we're gonna type in smoothie. Not that one. Let's see, this one. Okay, so this one, let's look at the gravity. The gravity is 34.21. That's decent. And it's a smoothie diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program. Every time someone buys it, you're going to make $26.70. So what I like to do is open this in a new tab and kind of check out the sales page. Let's see what this whole smoothie diet is. So we go over to this smoothie diet page, and boom, right there. It's a nice sales page already done for you. It explains what the product is. You don't have to explain it. It has, they take care of the processing, so they give people options to buy it, and then when they buy it, you make a commission. So this is a great sales page. I think I can see why this is a high converting offer. because because of the sales page. It even has a frequently asked questions page. Okay, so I like this. Okay, so now that I've checked out the sales page, what I'm gonna do next is go back over to the offer, and I'm gonna go ahead and what I like to do is add it to my favorites. So I hit add to my favorites, and now it's added to my favorites link. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my link to promote. This is how you're able to start promoting this offer. So you click on promote, it's gonna open a new window, and I'm gonna go ahead and click generate hop link. Okay, right here is my link for this product, and I'm gonna go ahead and click this thing, and it's now copied my hop link. Now you're gonna open a notepad, or you can open Google Docs. You're gonna paste that in there. That is now your link to go ahead and start promoting. Now, one thing that you want to do is you probably want to use a link shortener, because that's a really long link. So you can use bit.ly. I use shoreby, shore.by. You could use a link shortener like that. If you're with something that, like I have the Conversion Pros, you could use a link shortener like that. But either way, you want to pop that in a link shortener so that you don't have that long link. Okay. So now that you have your link, you're able to go ahead and start promoting. And it's literally that simple. And you can start making $26.70 in commission every time somebody purchases from you. Okay. And the one thing about the reason why this is so popular is there's so many people trying to lose weight, and as we get ready for the new year, everybody's gonna be trying to lose weight. So let's get into some ways that you can promote this and some other tips that I have for Clickbank. All right, so now that I've showed you what Clickbank is, I want to talk about why you might want to use Clickbank, especially as a relative beginner online. First of all, Clickbank is one platform that has tons of things that you can promote. New products are rolled out every single day onto the Clickbank platform. So when a lot of people talk about just trying new things over and over and over again, and investing money in new opportunities over and over again, you don't have to do that. You literally have one platform which has so many different products that you can promote and you can position yourself to make money with. All you have to do is, just like I just showed you, grab your link, and now you literally have a digital product that you can earn commissions from. Clickbank is also good to get your first sales and your first income online. That's a income booster, a morale booster, I should say, to be able to get your first commissions online, especially from something that you didn't have to invest in, and now you're positioned to be able to start earning your first commissions. Okay, you can even use those commissions as you get them, and then if you want to, scale into some mid-ticket and high-ticket income opportunities. All right, so what I'm going to get into right now are some strategies for success, ways that you can use Clickbank to generate some traffic, i.e. visitors to your website. Your goal is to, now that you have that link that you're able to promote, you're able to earn commissions from, you want to get people looking at that link and clicking on that link so that the sales page could do its work of the explaining and selling to them, and they will be likely to buy. Okay, so my best tips are this. As I stated before, look at the products that that Clickbank has. You want to stick, if possible, to the top 3 niches: health, make money online, and online marketing. Okay, these are 3 niches that people always will pay for a solution for. People always will pay for a solution to look better, feel better, lose weight, be healthier, right? People will pay for you to teach them how to make more money without having to get a part-time job, without, having to live paycheck to paycheck, things like that. People will pay you to teach them how to be a better entrepreneur and how to have better results with online marketing. These are things, educational information, digital products that Clickbank has. Okay, but one thing that you want to do before you pick an offer is you want to look at it and say, is this something that I like? Like when I looked at that smoothie diet page, I'm like, I could see myself doing, I'm actually going to do it for myself, right? So look at things that you think will be good and something that you would see yourself liking as well. Okay, but also stick to the top 3 niches. And again, look at that gravity, because you want to sort by gravity so you see the top offers that are popular and that are converting. Okay, all right, so you want to also make sure that you're getting your link in front of the right people. Okay, one thing that is common in online marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online, is that people put when they join an opportunity or they get a link, first thing they do is they go to Facebook and they spam their link all over their Facebook profile. They spam their link all over just everywhere. Okay, they're messaging people their link, all types of stuff like that. Your goal is not to spam your link. Your link is to get your link in front of targeted people, the right people. Okay, for example, I'm going to talk about this in a second. I'm going to show you some examples. The example that I just showed you is a Clickbank product that is a weight loss product, okay? Everyone's not your target audience. My sister, for example, weighs like 110 pounds. She ain't trying to lose no weight, right? I'm not trying to get that product in front of her, okay? My family and friends, I'm not trying to get that product in front of. Who am I trying to get this product in front of? People who want to have better health, people who want to lose weight, people who want to get some type of fitness type result and are already looking for this, right? So you want to make sure you get your link in front of the right people who are likely to want, need, and use your product, okay? So you also want to create a capture page before you send people to your offer. So that sales page that I showed you from Clickbank, okay? So let's go over and look at that real quick. So the sales page from Clickbank, you definitely, let's open this in a new window. So this is the sales page from Clickbank. You definitely do not want to send people directly to this sales page. What you want to do is send people to a capture page instead. This is a concept that a lot of people lose a lot of money online because they're sending people directly to sales pages. What you want to do is create a capture page that they have to go through where you can collect their name and email before they go to the sales page. That's going to allow you to do a few things. To remarket to them, right? It's going to allow you to follow up with them. It'll give them more information about why they need to take a result with the smoothie diet. And it's also going to allow you to build an email list. And with the email list, if you don't understand why it's so important to build an email list, the email list is literally an asset, okay? So once you build it, you're able to sell products to people over and over again with anything, okay? You could decide a year from now, you build an email list, you've been capturing email addresses of people who are interested in your offers, and you decide that, you know, maybe you want to create your own challenge. Now you can sell that to those people who are already on that list because you've been building an email list. Whereas if you send them directly to this sales page, you're building their email list. You want to always build your own assets as an entrepreneur. All right, so that said, let me show you an example. I use a page builder called the Conversion Pros. It allows me to build drag and drop custom capture pages and also manage my email list, okay? So I built this page. It took me like 2 seconds. There's templates already in the back office. I was able to literally drag and drop. I was able to find, you know, a health related background. So I made this quick page that's kind of congruent with the smoothie diet. And what I said is learn how to use, I actually want to change the headline a little bit, but I wanted to say learn how to make, not learn how to use. Learn how to make delicious, easy to use smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health. And I took all this from their headline right here. I took their headline and put it in the capture page. And then I said free 7-day smoothie guide. So what I'm going to do, this is how you want to make this work for yourself with Clickbank. What you want to do is you create a capture page. And what you want to do is then go over to PLRstore.com, and you want to go ahead and buy something that costs maybe like $6, like anywhere between $5 and $10, somewhere like that. And what that is going to do is you can give away some information for free in exchange for people putting in their information. So you can say, learn how to use delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health, free 7-day smoothie guide. So then you say, where would you send your guide? They opt in, they put their name and their email address, and they're going to immediately get something free for putting in their email address. And the first page that they're going to see after they put in their name and email address is this sales page, which is the Clickbank sales page. All right. And they're also going to get something for free for putting in their email address. So what I like to go to the PLRstore.com. I'll buy like a smoothie content pack, and I'll give away a free 7 days of smoothies in exchange for them putting in their email address. They're more likely to put in their email address. They're going to put a real email address, okay? So I don't have to come up with these smoothies. It's all here. So you can buy this from the PLR store, the smoothies PLR content pack for $6.99, and now you have something that you can put together. You could even, if you wanted like a cover just like this, you know, where it says free 7-day smoothie guide, right? You can have a cover made for you at Fiverr for like $5, and they always have what they call like discount codes that you can find. If you don't have the Honey app, download the Honey app or Honey Chrome extension, and they will always find discount codes for you. Okay, so that's all you want to do to be able to offer people. So let's look at what happens once someone opts in. So I just put in my name, and I put in so I opt in and click here to start, and the first thing that they're going to see is boom, they're going to go ahead and they're going to see the sales page. Actually, I was putting together another offer before that, but this will be an example. They would immediately go to the sales page. Okay, so that's the whole point. All right, so let's get out of there now that you understand about the capture page, and you understand that you need to have some type of free incentive offer. You can grab that and you can use that over and over and over and over again. Okay, so let's go back to my presentation. Okay, so now that I said, to create a capture page before sending people to the offer, let's get into what's next. I already said giveaway info to collect the email to follow up. Okay, so when I say follow up, what are you following up? You're collecting the email. What you want to do is have some way to maybe email people more information about the weight loss offer. You can email them some diet tips. Maybe here's a tip, and this is something that I'm going to be doing with that offer. Okay, as you use the smoothies yourself, like if you're making these smoothies, you got the guide yourself, and you're making these smoothies, share with people your results. Lost 5 pounds in 5 days. I feel amazing. Vlog your journey, share people your videos, right? And then say, hey, if you want to start your own journey, here's where you go get, and give them the link to the sales page in your email list. These are all ways that you can take Clickbank offers and you can monetize them, okay? And there's tons of weight loss groups on Facebook, people who are looking for weight loss solutions. You could be in those groups. You can share with them your link. You can make YouTube videos giving weight loss tips and telling people to go to your Clickbank offer if they want to purchase that. These are all ways that you can give away free info, get people on the email list, and share with them why they need to buy your Clickbank offer. And again, you make $28.66. This is smart business. It didn't cost you anything to be able to start promoting that, besides outside of your maybe $5 or $6 that you invested to get your PLR offer. Okay, and that's it. You make your first commission, you make that $6 back, and you're in profit mode forever and ever and ever and ever. Okay. All right. Another way, I want to go back to another way that you can also promote this with this weight loss niche. Okay. You can also create a challenge. Okay. So that is a smoothie challenge. Okay. That I showed you. You could literally on Facebook, promote a weight loss challenge and get people into a free Facebook group and say, hey, to be part of this challenge, you have to do 1, 2, 3. Step 1, you have to join my group. Step 2, you have to get this guide, this smoothie guide, $28.66. And step 3, you have to follow along. There you go. You get people in a group and you start sharing with them what's in the guide, like little nuggets, tips of what's in the guide, and lead them on a challenge. So that's another way that you can do that. For those of you who, another way you can use Clickbank, some people are already in the weight loss wellness niche. For example, maybe you're with a company like, I'll just throw out the name of a company I was with before, Total Life Changes or It Works or whatever, right? This is a great way to boost your income, to say, as you're using these weight loss products, right? Here's a guide to be able to help you learn how to make better, healthier choices. People will pay $28.66 to be able to have someone break down for them some nutritional information that they really know they should have, but they don't know where to go to get it. Okay, so just give them some tips. All right, so that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's it. So if you're interested in Clickbank marketing, what I want you to do is check out my #1 income stream beneath this. I'll also have some information beneath on Clickbank. Go ahead and check out the information beneath this video, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, turn that notifications bell to learn more about entrepreneurship, making money online, building a well-paid side hustle, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.